So hello everyone, good afternoon. So we have the problem number 1 here. So the 600 kilogram hammer of pile drive is lifted 2 meters above the peeling head. If the hammer is released, what will be its velocity at the instant it strikes the peeling? So the local gravitational value is 9.65 meter per second squared. So the choices is A is 6.21 meter per second, B is 3.25 meter per second, and C is 1.2 meter per second, and D is 4.5 meter per second. So for the solution, we will use the formula of head in terms of velocity. So H is equals to 2g velocity squared. So ito na siyang i-derive ang formula. So we will get the formula of velocity, which is the square root of 2gh. So i-substitute lang na ito ang iyang given value. So square root of 2 times 9.65 meter per second squared times 2 meter of head. So makakuha ta og velocity nga 6.21 meter per second, which is ang letter A.